Hello. Many of you ask how the lithium-ion battery from BMW is regenerated in our company. To properly regenerate such a battery, each cell must be charged separately. But it's not enough to just charge them. They need to be discharged and their capacity checked, at least twice. Most people charge them with such power supplies, but with such a power supply, you cannot check either the capacity or perform a discharge cycle of such a cell. The problem occurs in batteries after accidents. Here is a battery that even has a heavily damaged casing, and we cannot determine the condition of a particular cell. Charging with such a device becomes very dangerous. That's why we use such devices in our company, and for each battery, you have a printout of the work of each cell. At the end of the charging cycle, the cells are balanced to ensure equal voltage everywhere. Of course, the electronics on this side are reset, and the relays on this side are checked under load. Here we have an example of cells that some company tried to charge, I don't know with what charger and how. Probably the parameters were set incorrectly, or they were charged altogether. Unfortunately, each of them was damaged. They are very swollen. You may not see it, but each of them should be flat, and there have been strong deformations here. Moreover, if we try to charge them, their temperature rises to 70 degrees, which unfortunately becomes extremely dangerous. If you want to see more news from automotive control unit repairs, give a thumbs up, subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates.